So for summons, for the accused that is in court to be availed or to come for plea before Honorable Mwasa on 14th of April 2025. And that, Your Honor, is the order that this Honorable made, that this second accused was to come for plea on 14th of April 2025. We have not been served with any application to set aside those orders. I'm not aware whether there is any such application on record. It's only that our client, second accused, who was in Nairobi for a doctor's appointment this morning at 11 a.m., was arrested even after Your Honor issued summons for his appearance in the court of mandate. He was arrested, put in Subaru, and driven overnight to Kisii. So we are not sure whether the complainant did a letter or an application to warrant the variation of yesterday's orders. And now the prosecution and PSC are telling you that they are ready for plea. There is no super litigant in this country, and the EACC wants to decide and choose for the court when and how you can work. The owner cannot be ordered, even by the Chief Justice of the Republic or even the President, on how you are to deal with your matters. It's very unfortunate, and on the part of the defense, we will be requesting to know how this file has been put before any plea is taken. The accused who's in the dock is 80 years old. He suffers from diabetes. He has high blood pressure and has had a heart surgery recently. The next time that he can procure the doctor's appointment that he missed today is after 3 months. So that the inconvenience caused upon him may be at risk of his life. And we urge you, Your Honor, to stamp your foot down, have been issued with summons because there is an order that has not been set aside for plea on Monday, have been released, Your Honor, on free bond, so that he can come for plea as you had directed yesterday, on 14th of April, before Honorable Mwasa. Your Honor, I say that the second accused needs to be released on free bond, first because there is an order for summons for his appearance on Monday. Number two, he is not flightless. He is not only a church elder of a church known as Kisii Central SDA Church, which is barely 100 meters from here. He also owns prime properties within the CBD, some of which are 50 meters away from this court. He's a fairly old man needs to be treated with the respect which the prosecution and the EACC has been refused to accord us as counsel, to even accord you, Your Honor. So I'll be requesting that you do not buy those orders, let him come for free on Monday, purely because the drama that is before you, when we come to court and found numerous TV cameras and microphones, we don't know who invited this gentleman. We just
for court number 2. The prosecution has challenged this query on grounds that the same does not raise any legality and that the plea is properly brought. I have considered the query and when I realize that indeed the court gave orders that the plea be taken before court 2 for plea taking, the accused has been arraigned in court. The justice that can therefore be done for the accused is that at this juncture we proceed with the plea taking and accord the second accused bond or cash bail. This is also taking note that the presentation of the accused in court for plea taking today is not or does not amount to an illegality. On the issue of bond being free, the same cannot arise at this point before plea taking. This therefore also adds up to the interest of the second accused's rights for the fact that he first takes plea before the court considers the question of bail and bond. So the court thus finds it in order that the second accused proceeds with the plea taking.
Criminal SCC 003 of 2025, Deputy Kombo, you've been charged with abuse of office contrary to Section 46 as read with Section 48(1 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act No. 3 of 2003. Our particulars of the offense are these. On or about 1st October 2017 at the County Assembly of Kisii within Kisii County, being the Speaker, used your office to improperly confer a benefit to wit by allowing the appointment of Evelyn Maraburi to the position of clerical officer without the approval of the bond or following the laid down recruitment procedures. True or false?
False.
You have the material evidence?
Your Honor, because there was one other accused person who was charged today, together with the current accused person, we gave him a mention for the complaint, and it was the order of the court that we do